Here's the news of the day. Cirrus Intelligence, in collaboration with Mila, is developing an AI-powered platform to automate aviation safety report processing, launching in 2025 with both freemium and custom options. Autogyro delivered 5 Sentinel Gyroplanes to Benin for border monitoring and surveillance, while Turkey's Jandarma also received additional units, marking a significant milestone in law enforcement aviation. Enstrom Helicopter Corporation placed second in the welding rodeo, creating a helicopter sculpture and helping raise $6,700 for student scholarships at Northeast Wisconsin Technical College. Frank Robinson, founder of Robinson Helicopter Company, will be inducted into the National Aviation Hall of Fame in 2025, honoring his legacy in helicopter engineering with models like the R-22, R-44, and R-66. Airbus Up Next and Toshiba Energy Systems are collaborating on superconducting technologies for hydrogen-powered aircraft, aiming to improve energy efficiency with a 2-megawatt superconducting motor. The FAA has released new regulations for integrating eVTOL aircraft into U.S. airspace, establishing pilot training requirements and paving the way for companies like Joby and Archer to launch commercial services. Dovetail Electric Aviation and Skydive Voss have partnered to convert Cessna Caravans into electric aircraft, aiming to introduce Norway's first electric-powered skydiving flights by 2026. SkyShare launched its most affordable fractional program, SFX12, offering Pilatus PC-12 shares starting at $220,000, making private flight more accessible with lower costs compared to competitors. Upsella will acquire Smart Sky's air-to-ground connectivity network, planning to relaunch it within 60 days, ensuring fast and secure communications for jet operators. Honeywell introduced Ensemble, a digital maintenance solution for business jet turbofan engines, offering real-time performance insights to improve aircraft uptime and mission assurance. To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.